When a video is playing on Apple TV but not in full screen, activate the full screen button. Begin by swiping down on the Apple TV remote to bring up the video controls. This action reveals the options available for video playback. Locate and select the full screen icon within the video controls. Selecting this icon prompts the video to expand. The video will then fill the entire screen of your Apple TV display. The Apple TV remote offers a method for toggling full screen mode during video playback. This method utilizes the touch surface located on the Apple TV remote. A double tap on the touch surface serves as the command to switch display modes. Each double tap alternates between full screen and the original display setting. This provides a direct and rapid alternative to using the on-screen video controls. The double tap feature allows for quick adjustments without navigating menus. If other methods fail, verify the zoom and display settings on Apple TV. First, access the Settings menu on your Apple TV. Navigate to the Accessibility settings within the Settings menu. Confirm that the zoom feature is disabled in the Accessibility settings. Next, go to the Video and Audio settings to adjust display resolution. Select Format and choose a resolution like 4K HDR or 1080p, matching your TV's capabilities.